Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Shana Zaura Rike. I'm from Indonesia Technocrat University, NPM 234111092. And then here I will explain a little about material, work design, and productivity. Understanding work design. Job design is the process of determining how a job should be done, we will do it, and how the job contributes to organizational goals. In operation management, job design focuses on the how to organize tasks, responsibility, and work relationship to achieve optimal efficiency and effectiveness. The primary goals of job design is to create a balance between the needs of the organization and the needs of employees. Will design jobs not only increase productivity but also foster motivation, job satisfaction, and working safety. Job design encompasses three main elements: job context, work methods, and work relationship. With appropriate job design, companies can ensure that each individual understanding their responsibility, has a proportion workload, and work effectively in line with the company operational goals. The purpose and importance of job design. The primary goals of work design in the improve employee efficiency, productivity, and well-being. A good work design can reduce fatigue, enhance skill, and create a healthy and product work environment. From an organization perspective, work design help optimize they as a human resource to ensure smooth production process and high quality work result from more. Work design also serves to create a fair and measurable work system, facilitate supervision, and minimize human error. In other words, work design is not just about what to do but also how to best do it. Principle of work design. When designing jobs, there are several basic principles that must consider the answer efficacy the satisfying work, namely job specification, a clear division of tasks so that employees focus on the types of work to improve skill and efficiency. Job rotation, moving employees from the task on another to avoid burden and broaden their experience. And then job enlargement, adding responsibilities to a single to job make it more challenging and increase job satisfaction. Job enrichment, giving employees greater autonomy in discussing making so they feel in the control of their work. Occupation safety and ergonomics, ensuring the job design consider the physical comfort, safety, and health of employees in the workplace. These participants are interrelated and must relate to the type of work, working characteristics, and organizational goals to achieve a balance between efficiency and well-being. Factor influencing job design. Organizational factor, such as company structure, team size, and operational strategy. Work environment factor, including physical condition, lighting, temperature, noise, and work culture. Individual factor, including employee abilities, skill, motivation, and needs. Technological factor, where the use of machine or automation system can change The way people work, effective work design must consider all of these factors to create a realistic and efficient work system. The relationship between work design and productivity. Work design has a direct impact on productivity levels. Productivity is the ratio of output to input. If work is clearly designed, work methods are efficient and employees are highly motivated, productivity will increase. Conversely, poor work design, such expensive workloads, unclear text, or an uncomfortable work environment will reduce morale and the quality of work. Therefore, operation manager must ensure that work design facilitates a smooth workflow and fair division of tasks and a work system that supports them imperfect individual and team performance. Productivity measurement. Productivity can be measured using several approaches, both partial and total. Partial productivity measures the relationship between output and the specific type of input, such as labor or raw material of, for example, labor productivity, number of output units, number of hours worked. And then total productivity compress all output with the total input used, including capital, labor, and energy. Productivity measurement are conduction periodical to evaluate the effectiveness of work design and determine improvement measures. Approaches to job design. There are several approaches used in the job design. The scientific management approach developed by Fredrickson W. Taylor emphasizes standardizing work methods and measuring time to increase effectively. The behavioral approach, with the focus on the psychological and social aspect of workers such as motivation, satisfaction in interpersonal relationship. The socio-technical system approach, which combines technical and social aspects to make work system more flexible and human. The agronomic approach, with the consider the compatibility between humans, machine, and the environment so that work can be performed comfortability and safety. And then this approach can be combined so that work design is not only technically efficient but also consider working well-being. Strategy to increase productivity through work design. Increasing productivity depends not only on technology but also on how work is designed. Some strategy can be implemented include improving work methods, for example, through animation students to eliminate inefficient steps, and then training and skill development so employees can work faster on the actually, providing incentives such as bonuses or awards for high-performing employees to increase work motivation, improving working conditions including lighting, ventilation, and good workplace ergonomics, implementation technological and autonomics to speed on product process and reduce human error. By consistently implementing this strategy, companies create in productivity and result-oriented work environment. Example of work design and productivity application. For example, at manufacturing company PT Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indonesia, working design is implementation based on line production participle with emphasizing waste reduction, edge work, passion, and the clearly designed working house. The master using a standard system, and working alternate and the rotate job and prevent monotony. As a result, productivity increases because each employee understands their role and can work effectively. Furthermore, agronomic system and implement to reduce risks and injury and the improved workplace comfort, which indirectly also increase productivity. Conclusion: work design and productivity are two close interrelated aspects of operation management. Good work design will create process efficient, reduce fatigue, and increase employee motivation and performance. Meanwhile, productivity is the indicator of the success of implementing work design. Transform operational manager must able to design work that is not only technical efficient but also consider employee well-being and safety. While a combination of sound planning, technology implementation, and effectivity human resource management companies can achieve high productivity and long-term sustainability. That's all the explanation of the material from me. I end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.